Ghanem Marketing. In this video, you're gonna learn how can you build a dashboard with Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio helped me to take all the data from Google Analytics or Google Ads or Google Tag Manager and put it in one report with Google Data Studio. So let's find out. So right here, guys, I'm at datastudio.google.com. So we're gonna start a new report. Create new data source. So today we're gonna talk about Google Analytics. Scroll down a little bit. Select. Right. Then choose your account. Connect. Here, Google Data Studio is gonna be access to your account at Google Analytics. Add to your report. All right. Right now we're gonna design our report. So we're gonna write a title. We're gonna go to Insert, Rectangle. We're gonna design our report. I can change the color. No, paper is not good. Let's say right. We're gonna write a headline. Insert text. We're gonna write website or here. I can change the size also, say 36, and I can put it in the middle, right? Also, I can change the color. I'm gonna make it black. It's already black. All right. Also, I can rename my report. So in my report, Ghanem Marketing. Okay. So right now we're gonna build our report, starting from the users, page views, bonus rate, goal conversion rate. So I'll go to Add Chart. We're gonna write our metrics, page views, say new users. Gonna make it small. Yes. Copy, paste. Here we're gonna write, for example, reviews. And here, goal conversion rate. Here we go. Here we're gonna write down bonus rate. All right. Right now we gonna put all these data as a chart. So I'll go to insert, rectangle. Yes, one like this. Can change the size, right? Can change the color. Go back to insert, bar chart. Gonna put it here. For example, gonna talk about the page views and where's this source come from. Scroll down. And go to insert. Also, right, you gotta make it as a table. And also I can add a goal conversion rate. And also I can make it as a pie chart. All right. Google Data Studio has helped me to analyze my report and make it visualize to client or to my boss. And also I can put the date range. I can go to the insert. Sorry. It's a date range. Put it here. So I can change the date. For example, let's say 1st August 2015 until April 21. I can change the size here, make it beautiful how much I can. All right, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day.